Early this morning, we got up and got Nora in the car to make the long drive to see the specialist who's going to be removing the mass that's growing deep down in her ear canal. We're feeling really positive about it, but at 10 and a half, going under general anesthesia obviously has us a little bit nervous, and we want the procedure to go well. For the last several months, Nora has been having chronic ear infections and discomfort due to this mass that's growing down in there. So we have full faith in her surgeon and the technicians who will be taking care of her today. We'll be spending the night in the area. She'll be with us. We've got a hotel that I'll share later that is very pet friendly and not far from the veterinary clinic. So thank you guys for all the positive vibes, and keep sending them, and check back later and I'll let you know how Nora's doing, and hopefully it's a quick, easy recovery and our sweet golden girl will be feeling her best again for a long, long time to come.